Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of side hustles that you can kickstart right from your smartphone. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned hustler looking to expand your income streams, this video is packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you earn $500 or more per day. So grab your phone, buckle up, and let's get started. Ever wondered how you could turn your spare time into a lucrative opportunity? Stay tuned, because we're about to unveil some game-changing side hustles that can put cash in your pocket faster than you can say payday. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Introduction to side hustles. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? You're not alone. Side hustles have become a lifeline for many individuals seeking financial freedom and flexibility. In this segment, we'll delve into what side hustles are all about and why they're more than just a trendy buzzword. A side hustle is essentially a venture or job that you pursue alongside your main source of income. It's your chance to explore your passions, talents, and skills while generating extra cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time employee craving additional income, side hustles offer a pathway to financial independence. The beauty of side hustles lies in their versatility. You can choose something that aligns with your interests, schedule, and income goals. Say goodbye to the limitations of a single paycheck and hello to the exciting world of multiple income streams. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. The power of smartphone side hustles. Gone are the days when side hustles required significant investments or specialized equipment. With just a smartphone in hand, you can unlock a world of opportunities and income potential. The accessibility and convenience offered by smartphones make them powerful tools for anyone looking to dip their toes into the side hustle waters. Whether you're waiting in line, commuting, or lounging at home, your smartphone can be transformed into a money-making machine. What makes smartphone side hustles even more appealing is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment to get started. All you need is an internet connection and the willingness to learn and take action. Whether you're freelancing, drop shipping, or diving into affiliate marketing, your smartphone becomes your gateway to financial independence. It's time to leverage the technology at your fingertips and turn idle moments into productive income-generating opportunities. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Top side hustles you could do from your phone. Number 1. Freelancing platforms. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com have revolutionized the way individuals offer their skills and services globally. As a freelancer, you can showcase your expertise in areas such as graphic design, writing, programming, digital marketing, and more. The beauty of freelancing is the freedom to choose your projects, set your rates, and work with clients from diverse backgrounds. With the right approach and dedication, freelancing can become a steady source of income, allowing you to hone your skills while earning money on your terms. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has gained immense popularity as a low-risk e-commerce model that can be managed entirely from your smartphone. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your online store, select products from suppliers, and market them to potential customers. As a dropshipper, you don't need to handle inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Instead, focus on marketing your products effectively and providing excellent customer service. With strategic product selection and marketing tactics, dropshipping can become a profitable venture with the potential for significant passive income. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true method of earning commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. With your smartphone, you can join affiliate programs of various brands and businesses across different niches. Create engaging content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, to attract your audience and drive them to make purchases through your affiliate links. The key to success in affiliate marketing is understanding your audience's needs and preferences, choosing relevant products, and building trust through genuine recommendations. With effective marketing strategies, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative source of passive income. Number 4. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another lucrative side hustle that can be managed entirely from your phone. Whether you're skilled in graphic design, video editing, writing, or programming. You can create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or digital artwork. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to showcase and sell your digital creations to a global audience. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that addresses specific pain points or interests of your target audience. With the right marketing and promotion strategies, digital products can generate consistent income streams over time. Number 5. Social media management. The demand for social media managers continues to rise as businesses recognize the importance of a strong online presence. If you have a knack for social media marketing, consider offering your services as a social media manager or consultant. Use your smartphone to create and schedule engaging content, analyze performance metrics, and interact with followers on behalf of clients. Platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Canva provide tools to streamline social media management tasks. By delivering results and helping businesses grow their social media presence, you can establish long-term client relationships and build a thriving side hustle as a social media manager. Number 6. Online tutoring or coaching. With the rise of online learning and coaching platforms, leveraging your expertise to teach or coach others can be a profitable side hustle. Whether you're fluent in a language, skilled in a particular subject, or have valuable knowledge to share, platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Zoom allow you to offer online courses, tutoring sessions, or coaching programs. Use your smartphone for video calls, course creation, and communication with students or clients. Tailor your offerings to meet the needs of your target audience and provide value through personalized learning experiences. As online education and coaching continue to grow, this side hustle offers scalability and the potential for recurring income. Each of these side hustles offers unique opportunities for earning money, leveraging your skills, and building a flexible income stream from your smartphone. Number 7. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a lucrative side hustle that offers immense potential for passive income. Whether you're a skilled writer, graphic designer, programmer, or content creator, digital products allow you to monetize your expertise and creativity. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable provide accessible avenues to showcase and sell your digital creations to a global audience. From ebooks and online courses to templates and digital artwork, the possibilities are endless. Selling digital products can become a scalable and profitable side hustle that generates passive income over time. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. If you want to know 7 ways to make a lot of money as a beginner podcaster, make sure you click the video showing on the screen.